Hello friends, it's good to be back with an interesting topic. As you and I know, life is in phases, and as we move from one phase to another, we experience both physical and psychological transformations. We will be looking at perimenopause or menopause transition. I come to share what experience and research have taught me. By the way, this is not medical advice. Please speak and visit your doctor at all times. Don't rely on the symptoms shared in this content episode. Do you know perimenopause begins several years before menopause? It's the time when the ovaries gradually begin to make less estrogen. It usually starts in women's 40s, but can start in their 30s or even earlier. Perimenopause lasts up until menopause, the point when the ovaries stop releasing eggs. In the last 1 to 2 years of perimenopause, the drop in estrogen speeds up. At this stage, many women have menopause symptoms. The average length of perimenopause is 4 years, but for some women, this stage may last only a few months or continue for 10 years. Perimenopause ends when women have gone 12 months without having their period. And no woman who don't and did not experience perimenopause and menopause. There are several symptoms, but I am sharing 74 symptoms perimenopause women live with, and they sometimes occur in parallel. A change in menstrual cycle, menstrual flooding, headaches and migraines, decreased motor coordination and clumsiness, lethargy, a persistent feeling of sluggishness physically and mentally. Number 6, physical exhaustion and crashing fatigue, exacerbation of any chronic illness or existing condition, insomnia or dropping off to sleep for a few hours and then awakening with the inability to return to sleep. Number 9, sleep disturbances sometimes are from nightmares, night sweats, or just a vague sense of restlessness. Night sweats, interference with dream recall, muscle cramps can occur anywhere in the body. 13, low backache often worsens before or during menses. Gallbladder symptoms of pain, spasms, and discomfort felt in the right upper abdominal quadrant under the ribs, belching, bloating, and intolerance to certain foods. Frequent urination. Urinary incontinence can occur suddenly or feel continuous. Hypoglycemic reactions happen when suddenly your blood sugar crashes and you must have food now. Food cravings, often for sweet, salty, sour, or pungent foods. Number 19, increased appetite, especially at night. Dark circles under eyes, joint and muscle pain, achy, sore joint muscles and tendons. 22, increased tension in muscles. Increased hair loss or thinning anywhere on the body, including your head, armpits, and pubic area. Number 24, increase in facial hair. Unusual hair growth around nipples, between breasts, down your back, and other places. 26, acne or pimple. Infertility causes grief in the woman who postponed pregnancy. Loss of breast tissue. Breast soreness, tenderness, pain, engorgement, and swelling. Number 30, painful or tender nipples. Combined cold extremities and hot flash. Being accident prone and not realizing it until the bruise reveals itself. Hot flashes initially may be described as mild to severe flushes of heat waves. Loss of sexual energy, painful sex, vaginal dryness, irritation, sometimes accompanied by a consistent unusual discharge, typically odor-free. Dizziness, feeling light-headed, and loss of physical balance. Ringing in the ears and tinnitus. Abdominal bloating after eating or seems to be all the time and can be visibly evident, looking like you are pregnant. Number 40. Weight gain disturbs most women, particularly when it seems to have happened over a couple of days. Settles in the waist, buttocks and thighs. Fluid retention, edema, not limited to legs and ankles. Palpitations or heart racing usually comes on suddenly. Irregularities in your heart rate may feel more like your heart has just done a flip-flop or skipped a beat. constipation or diarrhea, tendency towards candidiasis can increase, gastrointestinal distress, increased flatulence, unrelieved gas pains, indigestion and nausea, slow digestion, lack of appetite may be experienced as more of a lack of interest in food, changes in body odor, especially in the groin area or anywhere on the body. Number 50, puffy eyes, facial pallor alternating with facial flushes, arthritis worsens, loss of bone density and osteoporosis, dry hair, change in skin tone, integrity and texture, changes in your fingernails characterized by easy breakage, bending, cracking and getting softer, itchy crawly skin with a strange sensation like insects crawling around under the skin, muscle tone seems to slack and sag, pelvic pain, dry itchy eyes. Number 60, feet aching or sensitivity, bleeding gums, change in the normal tongue sensation, e.g. burning, change in breath odor, and a bad taste in your mouth, memory loss or lapses in time, feeling faint for no reason, tingling in extremities, sensation of electrical stimulation, increase and worsening of allergies, burning foot, sometimes only just one foot, fuzzy head, aching shoulder, frozen shoulder. Number 70, anxiety and depression, sensitivity to drugs, pain in upper back near shoulder blade, trouble breathing beyond shortness of breath, can't get a deep breath in, and lastly, burning facial and upper body skin without sweating. Finally, this is not an exhaustive list and you may have other symptoms. I must emphasize that I am not giving medical advice, but providing information, and I would recommend you visit your doctor for all medical concerns. Have a wonderful transition. Thank you for listening.